Hi, I'm Serene from OrangeTee and Thai AAG division. Today I'm so excited to show you this 4-bedroom freehold apartment in District 9. The 4-bedroom apartment is 2573 square foot. All bedrooms are en suite. There's also a helper's room and own bath. Welcome in. As you walk from the private lift, you're greeted by the spacious dining and living area and graced by the natural lights that come through the balcony. Your outdoor plants will thrive well in a bright, airy space at the good-sized balcony. I just love this about the Oxley residence. When you're right in the city centre, you're able to enjoy the peaceful and quietness of the surrounding. It is a convenient walk to the Somerset MRT. For the foodies, you'll be glad to know that you are spoiled for choice here. Right here, adjacent to the living, is the dining space. You can sit 6 to 8 guests. Visualize yourself hosting a nice gathering or dinner with friends and family. Follow me to the kitchen. This fully equipped kitchen has a dry and wet kitchen. It has been fully renovated to fully extend it out to give it more space. Look at the dry kitchen, a long island top and plenty of storage area for all your dry goods or snacks. You will love this luxurious master room that can fit in a king-size bed. Imagine waking up to this tranquil view of the greenery. This room also has access to the balcony that leads to the living area. The owners themselves told me that they love spending their quiet time in this lovely, serene study room. The room has a double glass frontage, capturing a nice scenery of trees, squirrels and birds. The Oxley residence is located at 51A Oxley Road, and you're just 7 minutes walk to the Somerset MRT and the Orchard Road shopping belt. Shopping malls like 313 at Somerset, Centrepoint, UE Square, all within walking distance. Standing 4-story high and 12 units in total, the Oxley residence offers its residents a private and exclusive access to the estate. The facilities, which includes a fully equipped gym, large enough pool to do your morning laps, and a barbecue area. The plot ratio is 1.4 at Oxley Road for obvious reasons. The probability of a raised plot ratio in future is high. The nearby surrounding areas like the River Valley area, the plot ratio has gone up to 2.8. The surrounding River Valley unit's new launches 99 years leasehold is currently transacting at 2,008 per square foot. What are you waiting for? Don't miss this unit, freehold property at 2,005 per square foot. Staying here has its perks, but I wouldn't mind getting into this car anytime. Just in case you're wondering, this car does not come with a sale. Whether you're an investor or buying for your own stay, do give me a call at 900 92 472. This is Serene from OrangeTee and Thai AAG division, and it's my pleasure to show you your future home.